loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to share with you a what's in my bag. Now this is the Chanel Jumbo in the black lambskin with the gold hardware. Now let's find out what's inside. Dun dun dun! Okay, so for what's in my purse. So the first item that I have is my Louis Vuitton makeup case. Now shout out to my sister who gave this to me a couple of years ago because it is so essential. I throw this in all my bags and it's perfect for on the go. So I have in here my foundation. My mom is actually the one who taught me this trick. I took out the eye cream and I put foundation in here, and it's perfect because it's small and I don't have to bring my big old foundation bottle with me. I have with me my e.l.f. blush, which goes perfect with my skin tone. And then I have here a big makeup brush. And I love this one because what I do is I dip it right before I put it in here in powder. So that way I'm not carrying a big old powder with me. And I have a little bit on here and then it's just perfect to touch up. And then I have with me my e.l.f. eyeliner. Now I have tried so many different eyeliners, but this one is just, nothing looks quite like this eyeliner. And it is only $2. You really cannot beat that. And then I have with me my lipstick. This is the Maybelline 656. Love this color. And then of course I have my lip gloss that I've been wearing for years. It's the Chanel 716. Love it. And then I have my L'Oreal in the Lasting Plum lip liner. Love this one as well. Perfect lip combo. And then of course you cannot forget your eyelash glue. Gotta always have that. And then I have a little lotion with me that I carry that I can put in on my hands or on my face, and it leaves me nice and moisturized. And then there's actually a little case, a little like secret compartment in here that, I mean, you can put anything in here really. But what I keep in there is I keep some bobby pins and a hair tie, because sometimes I'll have my hair down and I need to be able to put my hair up and out of my face. So I love this little compact. You really could put more things in there too. And then speaking of also to skincare is I have an umbrella with me. I love skincare above makeup. And so this always protects my skin from the sun. No matter where I'm at, I just pop it up and it keeps my skin nice and protected from the sun. And then speaking of taking care of yourself, I have with me also too some snacks. I will be on the go when I get hungry, and instead of me just grabbing some chips or whatever from the gas station, I love this because this is some cashews and almonds with dried cranberry, and it just keeps me nice and full till I'm ready to eat. So always keep a little snack with you. And then, oh, I love, love, love her. This is my Burberry walk, and isn't she a dream? She's just so adorable. It is so freaking cute. Now, even though I'll be wearing her, I love to have something that I can just change out of. So if I'm on the go and I can't be carrying something huge, this instantly becomes a little bag. I mean, this is just so adorable. And in here I have my license, I have a credit card, business cards, and then I have some cash in here. Always carry cash with you. You never know what emergency you can get yourself into. So even if it's just $10, carry some cash with you. I love this little Burberry. She's so cute. I love her. And then, oh, okay. I know you didn't expect for me to have this, but okay. If you are liking what you're seeing so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so I actually carry a gun with me. It's a Ruger 9mm, but I carry a gun with me wherever I go. So robbers, beware.
Are you happy now? Is this what you want?
Whether you are a boy or a girl, get yourself some lessons. Go and find out about getting yourself a gun. It's good to be carrying something just in case, because you just never know these days. And then, oh, I have with me some perfume. I love the way this smells. Oh, she's just so beautiful. I love this one. This actually came with my big old perfume bottle. It came as a little something extra, and it's refillable too. So I love this perfume. And then I have with me a compact. Now, this is not only just with the mirror, but it actually comes with a highlighter. Look at that color. So beautiful. And I just love the way that this brushes. Puts them right on the edges of my cheekbones, right at the tip of my nose. It's just stunning. I love, love this. And then I have with me my Invisalign, because I am currently doing Invisalign. And then I always carry with me a pen and a piece of paper because an idea will come to me and I just suddenly need to jot it down. So I always carry something with me. And then I also have with me this little case that came with my Van Cleef jewelry. And what I do is, because I'm always doing such extreme adventures and crazy stuff, I need to be able to take my jewelry off. So I just place it in here and it keeps it nice and protected. But I actually have in here 2 contacts because you never know when I might pop an eye. So I have here my contacts. I love this little case. And, oh, well, that is all that I have in my bag. I love you guys so much for watching. Until next time, mwah!